is my favorite subject and a very challenging class. And if you ever take it, you should do more than just pass.
A polynomial function, PF, such as f of x equals 5x to the fourth minus 4x to the third plus 3x squared plus 2x plus 1. The leading coefficient, what number is the leading coefficient, class? 5. So here's my highlighters. The leading coefficient is the number in front of the variable. So variable is like the variable x. And it's called the leading coefficient because it leads in front of the whole polynomial, right? It's kind of like the marching band leader. Now, coefficient is just the number in front. So the coefficient here would be -4, 3, 2, 1. But the leading coefficient is the one in front of the variable with the highest degree. So 5 would be the leading coefficient. Also, notice that 5 here is positive. The constant term is the one that doesn't have a variable. Put your finger on the one that doesn't have a variable. That should be the 1. Now, it actually does have a number, or a variable. It really does have an x to the 0 power. Does that make sense? The degree, or exponent, or the power, is the... So they ask you, what is the degree of the polynomial? The degree is the highest power of the polynomial. So the highest number, the smallest number there is 4. Standard form. Terms are written from the highest power to the lowest power in descend, which is basically a description of descending order. So, descending order starts with D for down. The numbers keep going down. Now notice how I'm pointing to the small exponent to the top right. 4, 3, 2. This one is a 1, and this is to the 0 power. Okay? So this is written in descending order. Also, standard form, you'll notice that has no parentheses. No parentheses. Let's write that. No parentheses. These are just bullet points. And the last one, exponents, or their powers, so up here. It says all of them must be whole numbers. So you can never have like 3 halves or 1 half, like a radical sign. Can't do that. Can't be like 0.8. No decimals, no variables. So you can't have something like 2 to the x power, because that would be exponential. You can't have that. There's no fractions, and there's no negative numbers, so you should never have like 3x to the -2. Okay? So these are some basic characteristics of polynomial functions. Alonzo, pick one for us. A, B, C, or D?
B.
B. Is this a polynomial function? Why is it not?
Because it has a negative degree.
No. Not a polynomial function because it has a negative degree. Raise your hand if you saw that. And just a quick review of negative degrees. Not the 6. Only the x would become, that would become 6 over x to the 4th. That's what negative degree does. It takes all of this expression and it switches it from the numerator to the denominator. And then you take off the negative sign. Good job, Alonzo. Okay, next person. Maurice. A, C, or D? How about A? Do you think it's a polynomial function? Do you see any negative exponents? It is a polynomial function. Thumbs up, thumbs down, class? That's correct. Yes. Polynomial function. Alright, now it tells us to find the leading coefficient and its degree. Maurice, what's the leading coefficient? It's got to be a number, right? What's the number? 4 is our leading coefficient. And your degree? Remember, you're looking for the highest exponent. The highest degree here is 3. So you have x to the third, x to the first, x to the 0. 3 is the highest, so our degree is 3. Good job, Maurice. Aiden? C or D? C. Is it a polynomial function?
Yes.
Uh-oh. What happened here?
Oh, wait, no.
Now, a temptation for students is to think, I can take the square root of 9x to the 4th and get 3x squared. Raise your hand if you were thinking that. The answer is you cannot do that. Okay? The reason why is you have addition here. When you're simplifying square roots, they should be all by multiplication. Okay? So, Aiden, you said polynomial function, yes or no?
Yes.
So we'll just say, no, not a polynomial function. It's magic. Again, the reason why is because it has a square root. And Sebastian. D. Yes? Yes. Why? And its leading degree is? Is 4. Aiden was not caught in the trick. Students may have thought that 15 was the leading coefficient, but class, is this in descending order? It's not in descending order. You should have written as 2x to the 4th plus 15x, right? Because this is to the 1. Descending order is by its degree, 4 to 1. So this goes first, so this is actually in front, -2. So Sebastian was correct. Polynomial function. Why is this one not a polynomial function? Oh, it's missing a term. Frida, can I do this? Would that be okay to do? Does it have all the terms now? So is this a polynomial function?
Yep.
Yes. Polynomial function. Second one. Jenny. No. Why? Wait. No. Not a polynomial function because? No variable as what? As a degree, sure, or an exponent. Thank you. Shyla, number 3, third one. Yes or no? right there, right? Can't have that negative exponent. Good job. Last one. Ian. Is this okay? What is that? And what is pi? How about square root of 2? Yeah, it's just a number. They're just numbers, x to the 0 power. So, yes, polynomial function. For examples, 2 yes, 2 no.
Turn in just one video, and you will be able to turn in multiple missing assignments.